I'm going to label it AB. The center point is already labeled in our diagram, and it is point C. It creates a perpendicular bisector with chord AB. This point we call E, and this point we call D. And then there's a line that connects C and A. Okay? So this is the question. It says that we know line segment or chord AB is 5 centimeters. We are trying to determine the length of CE. So this is everything that I have read out of the textbook. Okay? I haven't made any assumptions or predictions or wrote down anything that I'm guessing. This came straight out of the textbook. Now, who can tell me something about this circle, or this triangle within the circle?
It's a right.
It's a right triangle? How do you know that?
Because the A and B and D and C are perpendicular.
It's a perpendicular bisector, right? So when we have a perpendicular bisector, there's two things that happen, or two things that we know. The first is it creates what?
A right angle. A right.
A 90-degree angle. What's the other thing that we know?
Splits the line in half.
Good. Splits the chord in exact half. Okay? We know that AE and EB are the same. Okay? What else do I know?
That A and B are 8 centimeters. Like A.
A to B is 8 centimeters. So what does that mean about AE?
They're 4.
4. Does everyone see that? Okay? What else can we label on here? Okay? It says the radius is 5 centimeters. Do we have a radius on here?
No.
A and C. How did you know that? A straight line from the center point to anywhere on the outer edge
Oh, I didn't know.
is 5 centimeters. So we can add this to what we know. AC is 5 centimeters. And we don't know CE. How can we find CE? And put it right here, so I can see it a little bit better. So why can we use Pythagorean theorem?
Because we have 2 sides and we're looking for the other one.
We have 2 sides and we're looking for another one. What's very important,
Right.
we have a right angle. You have to have a right angle if you're using Pythagoreans, Jace.
Can you say
So 5, 4, and
3.
3. But if it's not a Pythagorean triple, we would want to work this out. So now, would we use the addition Pythagorean theorem or the subtraction Pythagorean theorem? Why? Good. I already have C. So C squared minus A squared equals B squared. C is 5 minus 4 squared equals B squared. 25 minus 16 equals B squared. 25 minus 16.
9.
Am I finished?
No.
Why?
You got a square root it. You don't want B squared. You want B.
Good. I don't want my B squared. So I take my squared and square root. They cancel out to leave me with 3 is equal to B.